Hello there and welcome back. In this video we are going to talk about how routing works in BlackSheep. So let's jump right into it. We are going to open up our favorite text editor and create a child node in the shipping directory. Let's call this brouting.py, and in the next window, what we will do is to activate our virtual environment and kick off the UV-corn process with the brouting. Alright, here I have my Safari as well, and let's jump right into it. So far what we have learned is that if we go ahead and import from the BlackSheep module the application and the get function or post function or delete function and so on, we can use these functions to decorate the application. However, there is another way to decorate our routes. And we are going to create our application, and we are going to create a route decorated function. So let's call this index, and basically here we specify the context route and we specify the methods. These methods are going to be a list of methods that we want to allow to hit that specific context route. So for example, we want to allow get and post methods to hit the context route, and technically we want to return an OK. And let's save it. As you can see, the application has started up, and let's see whether it is working. So HTTP and this context route, and as you can see, it was hit OK. Another thing that we have to mention when we talk about routing is that you have the basically another way to specify specific methods to be hit on an HTTP level. So for example, what we want to do is to define our another function which is going to serve a different context route. So this is the about page, and after that we want to use the app.router with the add get function, and we want to specify the context route and want to specify the handler. So in this case, the about, and we want to add to the router add post, and this is going to be the about page, and we want to use the about function. Let's save it and go to the browser and hit the about context route. As you can see, this is the about page, which is supposed to be about page. All right. What we also have as an option is to specify a class-based application. So for example, we can go ahead, let's create another source file. So add brouting2.py, and here from BlackSheep we want to import our application and want to import from BlackSheep.conserver.controllers the controller and the get, and the get should be fine. And we can define the application, and this is going to inherit from the controller base class. And basically here we have to decorate the class methods. So we want to say that this is the index context route, and we have the async def index, and it should be the self as the argument, and return class based default context route. And let's create another one about async def about self is the first argument, and we return the class based about context route. And then we can create our app from the my application, and if we save it and switch out this to the B routing 2 and go back to the application and reload, we have an internal server error. Object is not callable. Maybe, just maybe. So we have the controller and we have the application. Let's do it this way. App is going to be application, and now save it and check out this one. So here you can see that it started to work. Class-based default context route and class-based about page. So technically you have to instantiate the application class, and based on the class definition you will see that this is the controller for the application. And technically as an extension to this, what we can say is that BlackSheep supports 3 ways to, let's say, give a parameter to a context route. So we can have one with the column, one with the curly braces, and one with the these signs. Yeah, this is the angle brackets, curly brackets, and the column based definition. So let's create the get function angle, and let's demonstrate it. So let's make it A, and async def angle A, and return value is between curly braces A. So now if we go back here and use the angle context route, and pass, let's say 10, you can see that way we have successfully pushed an argument. We can also specify the one with the column. So here we have the column async def column and let's make this one level lower, colon, and return value is colon. Let's save it. So here we want to pass the colon whatever, and as you can see we successfully passed the value, and we also have this curly braces version which you already know. And technically that was all I wanted to show you in this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.